In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix access denied can't delete file. First thing you can try, for example, let's say I want to delete this folder, is basically you should try to see if there's any running softwares in the background. Sometimes if this folder has like folders running in the background, then you might not be able to delete it. So you would have to like basically end the task and stop the folders that are running inside of this folder. So you might be able to see it in the task manager here if they are, so you should be able to delete them. But if this doesn't fix your issue, then what you can do is you can go to this PC and then local disk C. So here you want to right click on local disk C and then properties, and here go to security and go to edit and then add advanced, find now, and here select everyone and then click OK, then OK, then make sure it has full control, everyone has full control, then click apply and OK, then click apply and OK. Restart your PC and hopefully this should fix your error. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.